welcome to our channel Tech Garden Guru. So in this video we will show how to control a relay using Arduino Uno R4. So this is a part of a series of Arduino Uno R4 videos we are making. So in this video, in this particular image you see here, this is the relay and this is an LED. Okay, so the relay has three pins at the input. One is power pin, which actually powers the relay, and this is a 5 volts relay which is connected from 5 volts of Arduino Uno R4 board. And then the ground is made common here, and there is a third pin which is actually the control pin of the relay. So this is the pin which actually helps us turn on and turn off the relay using the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. Okay, so it is connected to the pin 7 of Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and at the output of a relay we have three pins. One pin is called NC, which is called normally connected, and one pin is called common, which is in short called COM, and the third pin is NO, which is normally open. So when we try to switch the relay or the before the actual initial scenario, when we don't do anything, or when that means when we don't switch the relay, the COM pin is actually connected to the NC pin or in at the output. Okay, so that means whatever you are giving to the COM actually passes to the NC pin. Now when you try to activate the relay, this COM actually connects to the NO pin. Okay, so what basically NC and NO mean is normally connected and normally open, as the scenario explains, right? So now what happens is when you give control to this relay, the COM pin connects to the NO and 5 volts passes through this particular resistor and the LED glows here. So we have connected LED through a 1K resistor as we did in our previous project. This is a simple connectivity for controlling the relay. So now you can connect various loads at the output as per your requirement. You can connect AC loads, you can connect any DC loads, any of the requirements. So the main purpose of relay basically is to switch the load independent of the input. Okay, so you can actually connect this particular pin directly to LED and control, right? But let us assume LED is drawing huge current, then your GPIO will get loaded, and then there will be a lot of current drawn. Okay, so that might damage your pin or your complete IC. So there are scenarios, right? So to avoid that, we do isolate. Okay, to put it in simple terms, we do isolate the load from the control circuitry using the relay. That's the main purpose of the relay. Now let us look at the code. The code used for this is also simple. We don't need any specific libraries here because this is just a pin control. That means we are trying to do a digital write or enabling the pin as output or whatever as per our requirement. So here, if you see here, we have declared a variable relay pin, and we have assigned it the pin number, so that in the ongoing the next code we will be using this particular variable. And the first thing in the setup what we are doing is we are actually setting that particular pin, 7th pin, to output, and we are writing it as high. We are writing it as high because initially this particular relay is a active low relay. That means whenever you give low, the relay actually switches. So by default we are trying to put it high so that relay is not high by default, and then we are trying to print some text on the serial port to get to know whether relay is on or off. Okay, so here in the loop, now this is the initial thing is all in the setup, which actually initializes everything, and then in the loop what we are doing is there is a relay on text that we are printing, and then making the pin low for 2 seconds. Okay, and then again we are printing relay off, making it high, again waiting for 2 seconds. That means if you can see at the bottom, for every 2 seconds there is a relay on, relay off happening. Okay, so this is how it works. And just you can look at our shorts section. We'll also put the link in the description of this particular video. You can see the relay switching and turning on and off the LED. Okay, thanks for visiting.